Good morning. Anmol Classes welcomes you. In the previous class of Python Programming Lab, we have seen the first program, that is, write a program to demonstrate different number data types in Python. In this video, we will be seeing the second program, that is, write a program to perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. So before going for the programming, we should know that what are the different arithmetic operations that are there in the Python. So let us see those operations. In the arithmetic operation of Python programming, as usual, first operation is the addition operation. The symbol is, this is the symbol of addition operation. This and second we are having the subtraction, and this is the symbol of the subtraction operation. So if you are seeing here, it is telling that it is used to perform mathematical operations between two operands. So two operands means if we are having two numbers, we can go for these arithmetic operation, that is the addition and subtraction. So here it is telling create two variable a and b with values 10 and 5 respectively. So let us assume a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Then if we are giving a plus b as input, our output for addition operation will be 15, and for subtraction operation, input is your a minus b and output will be your 5. Now let us see the other arithmetic operations. Let us see the other arithmetic operations that are there in the Python. So other arithmetic operation apart from your addition and subtraction, we are having the multiplication. This asterisk sign, this is the symbol of multiplication operation. Then we are having division. So this is the forward slash, this is the symbol of your division. Then other arithmetic operation, we are having this remainder. So symbol of remainder is like percentage. Remainder, it is also called your module. So the operation is called your module operation, and the symbol is your percentage type. Okay, and next arithmetic operation is your exponent, and exponent, the symbol of exponent is your two asterisk sign like this. So if we are considering the same example of your a and b, where a is 10 and b is 20, if we are going for multiplication operation, input is your a asterisk b, the output will be 50. If you are going for the division, so input is your a forward slash b, the output will be your 2.0 remainder. So remainder or module operation. So if you are going for the module operation here, if we are going for a module b means here whatever, say after division, whatever is left in the remainder will be the output. So in a module operation, the output will be the available remainder. So if we are going for your 10 divided by 5, output is 0. So remainder is 0. As remainder is 0, output will be 0. Then we are having the exponent. Exponent means a to the power b. So a to the power b means if we are considering a as 10 and b as 5, so we are having a 1, say 10 to the power 5. That will be the your output in case of your exponent operation. Say apart from this division, we are also having a floor division. In floor division, what is happening? As here you are having your single forward slash. In floor division, you are having double forward slash. And in floor division, what is happening? At the output, we are getting whatever the output that we are getting. Here it will be the, if in the output, if you are having some decimal, it will be rounded off. It will be rounded off. Say suppose here it is telling 2.0. Say instead of this, if you are having 2.3, it will be taking as 2 as output, and if you are having 2.7, it will be rounded to 3 in case of your floor division. So in floor division, the output will be rounded off without any decimal point in it. Now let us see the actual program. So program to perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. So here if you are seeing, you are having this hash sign, this is for your comment. So if you are seeing here, after the comment, whatever we are writing it, it will just ignore this one, and this is for the person who is going through the program. It is for that purpose. So it is just a comment. Then we are having A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. So here we are assigning A as 10 and we are assigning 3 to B. Then we are having the print instruction. Print, we are having addition of A. Here we are having a double colon. So double colon we are having beginning and end. So apart from this, say double colon, whatever this content is, the content, same content will be getting in the output. So it will be mentioning addition of A colon. So whatever the value of A is there. So A we have assigned 10. So it will be writing addition of A colon. Here it will be writing 10. And B colon. Then B. B means what is the value of B that we are having. That it will be writing it here. Then here you are having double quote. So here it is running is. So after is you are having colon. And then what is the operation is there? A plus B. So that result directly you will be having. So if you are seeing this instruction, in this instruction what we are getting the output, we will be getting the output as addition of A colon, the value of A that is 10, and B colon, then whatever the value of B that we have assigned, it will be 3, then is. So whatever the addition result will be there, that it will be printed up. Then second instruction, print subtraction of A colon, so value of A, and B colon, value of B is. So if we are subtracting your 10 minus 3, whatever the value will be there, 7, directly we will be getting the 7. Then third one is print multiplication of A colon, the value of A, and B colon, so value of B is the, if you are multiplying your 10 and 3, will be getting it 30, that will be appearing it here. Then we are having the next print instruction, we are having division of A colon, the value of A, and B colon, the value of B is. So here we are having 10 divided by 3. If we are going for 10 divided by 3, we will be getting a 3.33. So here we are getting a 10. Here we are getting 3.33. Continuing, it will be there. Then print floor division. Floor division of A colon, value of A, and B colon, value of B is. So in floor division we are having 2 forward slash. So A double forward slash by B. So as in division we are having a 3.33. Here it will be rounded to 3. So floor division of A and B will be your 3 only. Then print modulo of A colon, the value of A, and B colon, value of B is. So A percentage symbol will be there, then B. So this modulo will be there. Modulo means it is for remainder. So what we have seen, the remainder operation, so same it will be there. So if we are dividing 10 by 3, so 3 times will be getting and the remainder will be 1. So here the answer will be modulo of A colon and B colon is 1. And finally print exponent of A colon, value of A that is 10, and B colon, value of B is 3 is. So here we are getting 10 to the power 3, that is your 1000. So this actually is the program, and let us go for the actual execution, and there will be saying that if we are going for executing this program, what is the output that we are getting. So the program, here we have the program. It is your Spider Python 3.9. So first we are starting with your say comment line program to perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. Input we are having a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Then we are having a print instruction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo and exponent. Floor division means after division whatever the result will be, it will be rounded off, and modulo means you can say it as remainder. So whatever, say after division whatever the remainder will be there, that remainder will be getting it here. And finally you are having the exponent. So this is the place where we write the program, and in the console, if you are seeing the console here, if something is to be entered, we can give the input or we can see the output here. And if you are seeing this this part here, if you are having some plot or some variable explorer, so all this will be appearing here. So at present we don't have any plot in this program, so it will not appear. Just go for executing it. For execution we go for run file. So run file, it is a triangular green color, will be executing it. Now as we are executing, you see here it is showing in the output. So we are getting addition of a colon 10 and b 3 is, addition is 13. Subtraction of a and b is, say 10 and 3 is 7. Multiplication of a 10 and b 3 is, so 10 and 3 it is 30. Division of a, that is 10 and b 3 is 3.33 continuing. Floor division of a colon 10 and b colon 3. So 4 and say 10 and 3, floor division we are getting it 3, means it is rounded up. Modulo of a colon, that is 10 and b 3 is, so here if we are dividing 10 with 3, the remainder will be, so we are getting 1 as a remainder, so we are getting it 1. And exponent of a, that is 10 and b, it is 3, so 10 to the power 3, here we are getting the 1000 as the output. So when we are executing it, we are getting this as the output. Okay, thank you.